we're using up what we have. And my appetite is not so big. I can't eat so much food. So.
She said you want 3 pieces of yam.
Oh my God. Give her the yam. We're sharing food.
That's it.
I have to learn to put food on plate or in pudding pan. I can't put my thing. This looks good. Look at that.
Delicious.
Ooh, I love that. You want it on the food?
No.
Oh, sorry. Will this do?
Put a little more gravy.
Oh gosh.
That's it.
All
Smelling
right,
real
next?
good. It's smelling real good.
It smells good. So who is next? Hold on to this for me. How much? Grace.
Grace is having
2 dumplings for her. These are big dumplings, you know. You sure you can manage 3?
Yeah.
Dumplings are big, you know.
So you know
Dumplings are big. I cook smaller dumplings at home.
Grace says want 2 dumplings and 2 pieces of yam. You want potato too?
No.
You don't want a potato, give it them.
You want yam?
Yeah. 2 pieces.
2 pieces of yam. I don't think you should eat so much food.
Give her the food.
Anyways, you want it, so I'm giving it to you. I don't eat, so you eat more than me. Alright. Wow. I'm talking over the pot. Okay, so we're going to eat now. It's eating time. Get the forks.
Utensils.
It's dinner time. Look at Ty. Biting into his dumpling. Let me really see if this lady is going to eat all of that food. How is the food?
Good. Delicious.
Good.
Wow, taste.
At the moment, we didn't bring enough no utensils, so at this moment, there's a countryman myself. I used to eating at the bush with knife, so no problem.
You know why we're laughing, right? Alright, so. Okay. Alright, so. It's like you're sitting on your veranda with the river right before you. Huh? Sonny, cook and I wash up. So remember I said I don't want to get into trouble with my daddy and his pot. So I have to carry it. I have to take it back to him. I have to take this off. Okay, that one's done. Okay, so this side, people would wash at the river and they'll catch their water for the household here. Maybe not at this location, but further down or further up. And our friend here, she's washing. She's doing her laundry right here. So, yeah. So we're all packed and ready to go clean up our area after ourselves, and we are leaving, heading back home. Of course, we have leftover. That was way too much food. Leaving my sweet, sweet river. We're leaving and we're heading back. Oh, just saw two aki. Hard open up.
This calabash is one of the things in slavery days. The black people used to eat out, and now the Rastafarian. When it dry, we put it down and let it dry and cut it into and take out the inside and clean it out properly, and then treat it, sand it down and treat it. And we can cook in it, we can eat out of it, and we do anything at all with it.
Cooking it?
So long as water in it. So
Hold
the
on.
Rastafarian now, the Rastafari community now use calabash a lot now for them utensils.
Utensils.
Yes, for them claim them not using Babylon stuff.
Oh, so you cut it while it's green, or you
Cut
wait?
it while it's green, while it's dry still. It can cut both ways. And so it's a very unique kind of fruit. Not really a fruit, so we can't eat it, it's poison. But it's very unique and it's waterproof. It's very
People
nice.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment.